Alright, so I had previously sprayed this, the table down, the bed, with this. It did a pretty good job of protecting it. You know, the stuff out here obviously wore away. The stuff under the vise, I'm getting ready to do a little Scotch-Brite and brake clean here, and we'll see just how much rust is left. You know, there's still some of the dry lube underneath them, but now granted that I had the vices on here for a good while. I don't remember how long, but year plus. So we'll see. So I already started over here, and this is all nice and smooth and clean, and basically I'll give it a good scrub down here and get everything nice and smooth and clean. I'll give it another wipe down with brake clean, let it dry, and then I'll shoot it with another couple layers of the quick lube, the Dry Moly, trying to protect it again before I put the other two vices on in its place. So. Well, not bad. And considering how long I had the vices on, I'm sure that damage would have been far, far greater had I not put the dry lube down, the Dry Moly. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Now, aside from the rust, the dry lube itself comes off pretty nice and easy. The brake clean and a rag would probably take that off. Alright, let's see if we can give it another wipe down with the brake cleaner. Get it clean, we'll let it dry a little bit, and then I think I'll see about putting a couple of coats on that. And I may let it dry overnight just because it's about the end of my shop time. And instead of spraying the table down, I was thinking I'd just wipe it down like this, because then I don't end up with as much brake cleaner down inside the tracks, channels, T-slots. And the brake cleaner's nasty stuff. Typically what I do is when I'm done with these rags and they're soaking, instead of throwing them in the trash can where they're just going to evaporate into the air in the shop, I take them and I go set them in the woodshed. A couple days from now they'll be, everything will have evaporated out of them, and they'll be dry, and then I'll go throw them away. I'm going to call that clean enough. Let it dry for just a bit. Alright, well, let's see here. And I'm spraying this back part mainly because so much paint has come off it, so it can't hurt. And I do have the garage open, there's a breeze blowing through. Good thing I have another can, huh? Alright, so that's what it is. There's the number down there. Probably got it off of Amazon. I don't know. Could have been an MSC kind of deal. since Enco's no longer around. I really miss Enco. Enco used to be the go-to, and MSC's just not the same. Supposedly we get the same discount. I never feel like I do. I never feel like the prices are as good as they were on Enco. Yeah, I think you can see that there. Yeah, it goes out of focus. I try to get too close. And I don't know if that's because it's having trouble with the surface, or if it's just doesn't want to focus that close. I'm a foot and a half away, so. All right, I think I like that. I'm gonna call it good and let it dry. I mean, it is actually already dry. I just out of time for today.